Hi. To start with the recipe, first, let's blanch our 1.5 pounds of beef shank. Cut it into bite-sized chunks and drop them into boiling water. You'll see the meat changing color from red to mostly brown. That's your signal it's ready. This step helps remove any impurities and gives us a cleaner tasting stew. Now, let's build our aromatic base. Heat your wok over medium-high heat and add a bit of oil. Toss in your 6 cloves of minced garlic, 1-inch piece of sliced ginger, and 3 chopped scallions. Stir fry for exactly 1 minute. You'll know it's ready when that wonderful aroma fills your kitchen, and the scallions start to soften. Time to add some serious flavor. Put your blanched beef back into the wok along with 2 tablespoons of chili bean paste. This is where the magic happens. Stir fry everything together for 5 minutes, making sure the beef gets nicely coated. You'll notice the oil taking on a beautiful reddish color from the paste. Let's layer in more flavors. Add your chopped tomato, or 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of rice wine. Give everything a good stir and let it cook for 2 minutes. You'll see the tomatoes starting to break down and release their juices. Here comes the transformation. Transfer everything to a larger pot. Add enough water to cover the meat. Drop in your 5-star anise and season with salt to taste. Bring it all to a boil. You'll see small bubbles actively rising to the surface. This is when the real magic begins. Now for the patience part. Lower that heat, pop the lid on, and let it simmer for 1.5 hours. This is what makes the beef incredibly tender. You'll know it's ready when you can easily pierce the meat with a fork. It should practically fall apart. By the way, since many of you ask about this pressure cooker that I use after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Time to add our vegetables. Drop in your chopped potatoes and 1 cup of carrots. Let everything simmer for another 30 minutes. The vegetables are done when you can easily slide a knife through them. They should be tender but not falling apart. For serving, you've got options. You can enjoy this hearty stew as is, or serve it over noodles with some extra veggies on the side. Don't forget to add a boiled egg if you want to make it extra special. The sauce should be rich and glossy, perfect for spooning over rice or noodles. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.